Introducing natural light optimization by Real Smart Technologies. Light is more than what we see, it's a feeling. Windows are the architectural gateway to that feeling, framing the perfect balance of light and atmosphere. While automated shades help reduce glare, protect your interiors, and enhance privacy. What if the entire experience could be made effortless, intuitive, seamless? Introducing natural light optimization by Real Smart Technologies. Our system intelligently adjusts shade positions in sync with the sun's movement, creating an environment that is automatically comfortable, automatically cool, automatically connected to your natural surroundings. It's personalized, automated natural light control, reimagined. Natural light optimization. Introducing the latest innovation in Lutron roller shades. Now available through Real Smart Technologies, a certified Lutron partner.